friends, today we are going to unbox the GAN 12 Maglev and a lubricant which name is Velocity. And yeah, let's first get into the cube. I like this very slow kind of motion. The GAN's original business card. The GAN's A beginner tutorial. Let's first get into the cube. I think, yeah, cool opening. Let's just test it out. Let's do a solve. Ready, set, go. I'm not a very fast cuber, but I can cube. What is this case? A lefty soon. Yeah, my dad purchased this for me. My dad purchased it from Cublilo, which is a very popular store for cubing. Yeah, let's get into the accessories. First, we have the GAN C4 pamphlet. Yeah, let's look into that later. And the GAN 12 Maglev's instructions. This is my first GAN cube also. Let's see. Very sleeky, smooth GAN cube. GAN pouch. And what is this? I think this is a magnet, corner magnet case. Yes, this is the core Maglev tensioner, and these are the corner magnets. Yeah, we will not now customize it. Yeah, let's pack this and get to the lubricants. Yeah, we are going to get into the unboxing of lubricant now. As I have my scissors, let's just cut it open. See you in a minute. Yeah, actually, see you in a second. But let's open this up. Let me clean up that. Yeah. Okay. This is the first time I'm ever opening a lubricant. Let's see what is under this. Yeah, and this is what we get. I think this is the syringe cool looking syringe, and a pamphlet about the how to lube a cube. So I don't know how to lubricate a cube, so I will not do this in the video. I plan to do this later, so yeah. Okay, I think we have to insert this green thing in the top of the syringe. Yeah, then actually the lube is stored in there. Yeah, so let's just put this here, but I feel it's so light. I thought there was no lubricant inside, and I have to pour some lubricant. And let's now look towards the cube Lilo pouch. Okay, not as smooth as GAN, but it's cool that it's free and not costable. Yeah, I like this very much. I like this color than the GAN, so yeah, maybe I will use this. Yeah, and let me do a last solve, and I will end this video. I promise you it's gonna be fast solve. So inspection time begins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's go. Oh, that's a free pad. Okay. Let's see, old Elton. I'm only doing this tulip oil and tulip peeler only. Yeah, that's all. And that's it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, that's all.